Today is laying fiberglass day. It's a messy job, but I had made my own design to make this hull very strong. Yes, 1738, I guess they call it. It's a fiberglass mat. Trying to get some of the bubble out. This hull part here is very strong. I put a center pipe right there for the wall to run straight down. So I'm gonna enclose right here. I'm gonna foam right between here to make it even stronger. On top of that, that's my board beam that's gonna go in the center of this. Alright, that should be no problem. The only problem with the bad design with trophy that is, the wall comes set right here. It doesn't matter if the rain on the side, the wall is always coming here. My new design is gonna be close this out, put a sub pump right here, run out here, and go through out here to pump the water out. Okay, the water coming in here is very little, but I'm gonna make sure this baby is 100% seal tight right here, that no water will come in. On top of that, where the rivet, I'm also gonna be encasing. I'm gonna add another layer of fiberglass. I'm gonna use a 1738 also to make it stronger when you join together. So some part we're gonna bolt it in. Some part, all different. 80% is gonna be riveted in. Some part, 20% is gonna be bolted in or screw in. Either way. Alright guys, over and out. Alright, hopefully this baby is strong, dry enough for me to flip upside down and lay the fiberglass on top to join all these parts together. Alright guys, she's almost there. Wrap a little bit, let it dry, trim, sand. I'm down to the last right here. For the transom, we're gonna use a carbon core. Either that or C-cast. The only thing about C-cast, it doesn't bond well with epoxy, but it does bond well with polyester, whatever you call it. Either that or I gotta go with carbon core. A few more days I should be done. Easy drill bit. Video. Go forward and go backward. They come out easily. Simple. Go forward. Go backward. That's it. Simple, very effective. That's it. That's it. Hey guys, I put epoxy on the board first. Let the board absorb some of the epoxy. That way, when you lay it, it doesn't suck all the epoxy in. This makes your glass a little stronger. Once you've done this, you're gonna wet the glass and put on top of this. That'll make it strong, cause stick better. Just make sure you clean with acetone first. That's it, dude. Hi guys. Right now I am making a template to cut this. Right here I'm using the vinyl. I call it vinyl cell, which is water resistant, rot resistant. Okay, I wrap these. It's not the best, but it's more for structural integrity. Once I foam them, it's gonna be the pressure is gonna press against it. What I'm trying to do is making this part stronger than usual. Alright, the wood there is still good, so I didn't remove the whole thing. So I'm going to use a carbon core port in here. That I'm going to seal. Put that in carbon core also. Carbon core, I got to call it, like C-cast. Alright, I want to use C-cast, but since I'm using epoxy, and C-cast does not compare with epoxy, only polyresin. Okay, that part is done, when that's cured, I'm gonna add another layer of fiberglass to make it stronger, then drill a hole and pour the foam, marine foams in there for flotation and strength. Here, to make this part stronger, I'm also gonna add another piece of string right here, but it's also, I'm gonna use veneer seal, which is, you know, because this part is gonna hit a lot of water. So those are there, I use wood. What I did, guys, these are the old stringer. With the fiberglass still good, so I didn't remove it. So what I did is, I cut the end center, I glue the board in there, 24 hour. Same thing with that one. I'm also gonna do the foam in there. I know I got a bubble everywhere, but that's strong enough. Just be okay. We'll find out. All right, let me finish making this mold, guys. Later.
It's me. Plants. So much. Turn around.
All right, guys. All right, I made the berry. I made the stand for the berry. One right here, and one on this side. Oh, excuse my. All right. This baby is harder than before. 3 times stronger than before. All right. As you can see, the center, I put 2 bucks in there. I'll foam it, make it stronger, and help the board float. So this board could be unsinkable and indestructible. Well, you know, nothing's indestructible. All right, wrap that sucker. Wrap that. It's gonna have to sand that down real good and wrap that again. Didn't do that one yet. It's got 2 drain pipe. I'm gonna have to sand this one because I had to go down and wrap that one a little better. All right, I ran the pipe right there. That's for electrical work. It goes under here, up there. Same thing, ran electrical pipe right there. Came out. That way when I need to run the wire, it's easy. All right. 2 more layers of fiberglass up there. Center 2 layers, well 3 actually. So this baby's gonna be oh wait, another thing. Also wrap this 3 strap, 3 layers. When I marry the board back together, it's gonna be stronger over there. Add a little more fiberglass to help with the strength. It's gonna sand this part down and use that thick mat to make that part stronger too. I mean, when the engine pushed the board, it wouldn't have any problem. I did a little bit over here. All right, she's almost done, guys. All right, my baby almost done. It's not a best fiberglass work, but hey, once I cut, trim, sand it down, and gel coat on top of it, well, this one I add another layer of the thick fiberglass to help with the strength. The problem with this, when the manufacturer built it, that's where the weak point is right here. That's how the water got in, rot and everything. Same thing with that. That one I didn't use wood. I used the veneer seal. One of those things. It won't rot. Oh shit! I got glue on my pen. All right, guys. Almost done. Hey! Alright, today we're about to put these 2 together. Anybody have any objection to this marriage? I thought so. All right, we're about to marry these two babies together. All right, guys. Take all this out, Ethan. Take everything out.
Oh, you didn't get the underwater lights, did you?
A what?
You didn't put the underwater lights on, did you?
That's okay. Just on time. All right. They about to get married. All right, 50. Also have 50 glass. That's 5 o'clock. That's a good point. Sanding.